The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to bold claims and ambitious projects. New projects emerge constantly, each promising to revolutionize finance and change the way we think about money. PiNetwork, however, stands out from the crowd. Since its inception, Pi has aimed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. No longer would mining be limited to those with powerful computers and technical expertise. PiNetwork sought to democratize the process. PiNetwork promised to put the power of mining in the palm of your hand, making it as simple as using a smartphone app. For years, PiNetwork operated in a pre-launch phase, building its community and refining its technology. Millions joined, eager to be part of this new experiment in digital currency. The network's recent transition to the open Mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey. PiNetwork is no longer just a concept, it is now a functioning blockchain with real-world potential and applications. This transition has been met with both excitement and skepticism from various quarters. Supporters believe PiNetwork is poised to disrupt the financial system and bring about a new era of digital currency. Critics, however, question its technological foundations and long-term viability, raising important concerns. This essay will delve into the intricacies of PiNetwork, examining its core principles and mechanisms. We will explore its technological underpinnings, its ambitious goals, and the challenges it faces in the competitive cryptocurrency market. Join us as we navigate the world of PiNetwork and its quest to redefine the future of finance one step at a time. The launch of the Open Mainnet in February 2025 marked a significant milestone for PiNetwork. This transition signified the network's readiness to handle external transactions, a crucial step towards mainstream adoption. No longer confined to internal transactions, PiCoin could now interact with the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem. This transition, however, was not without its challenges. The price of PiCoin experienced significant volatility following the launch. After debuting at $1.70 and briefly surging to $2, the coin experienced a sharp 50% drop within hours. This volatility highlighted the inherent risks associated with emerging cryptocurrencies. Despite this initial turbulence, the launch of the Open Mainnet signaled PiNetwork's commitment to its vision. It demonstrated the network's ability to evolve and adapt, essential qualities in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. The transition marked the beginning of PiNetwork's journey towards fulfilling its potential. In a move that sent ripples through the financial world, PiNetwork recently announced a strategic partnership with banking giant BNP Paribas. This collaboration aims to integrate SEPA transfers, the standard for electronic payments in Europe, into the Pi Nexus system. This partnership represents a significant step towards mainstream adoption for PiNetwork. By integrating with SEPA, Pi gains access to a vast network of banks and financial institutions across Europe. This could potentially make PiCoin a viable option for everyday transactions, challenging traditional payment methods. However, the success of this partnership remains to be seen. Integrating with established financial systems is a complex undertaking, often fraught with regulatory hurdles. The ability of PiNetwork to navigate these challenges will be crucial to its long-term success. Since its launch, PiCoin has experienced the price volatility characteristic of many new cryptocurrencies. After the initial surge and subsequent drop, the coin has settled into a more stable range, currently trading around 59 cents. Despite the volatility, PiNetwork has achieved notable milestones in terms of market performance. In mid-March 2025, PiCoin reached a market cap of $9.16 billion, propelling it into the top 15 cryptocurrencies globally. This achievement underscores the growing interest in PiNetwork and its potential. However, liquidity remains a concern for PiCoin. With limited trading volume on major exchanges like OKX, the coin's price remains susceptible to fluctuations. Increasing liquidity and attracting more trading activity will be crucial for PiCoin to achieve greater stability and broader market acceptance. Section 5. Millions mining from their pockets. One of the most distinctive features of PiNetwork is its mobile mining model, which sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware and significant energy consumption, PiNetwork enables users to mine PiCoin simply by using their smartphones, making it more accessible to the average person.
This approach has been instrumental in attracting a massive user base, as it lowers the barrier to entry. With over 60 million registered users, PiNetwork has grown rapidly. PiNetwork boasts one of the largest communities in the cryptocurrency space, a testament to its widespread appeal.
This vast user base is a testament to the network's accessibility and its focus on inclusivity, drawing people from all walks of life. By making mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone, PiNetwork aims to empower individuals globally, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional financial systems, offering new financial opportunities.
However, the mobile mining model has also attracted criticism from various quarters. Some argue that the tap-to-mine mechanism is more about habit formation than true blockchain innovation, raising concerns. They question the long-term sustainability of a model that rewards users for minimal effort and whether it can truly revolutionize the industry.
Section 6. Building a blockchain for everyone. Beyond its unique mining model, PiNetwork is developing a comprehensive ecosystem designed to support a wide range of applications. This ecosystem aims to make blockchain technology accessible and useful for everyone, regardless of their technical background. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Pi blockchain, built on the energy-efficient Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP. This protocol ensures that transactions are secure, fast, and require minimal energy, making it environmentally friendly. The PiNetwork ecosystem extends beyond just currency. It aims to integrate various digital services to create a holistic digital economy. It includes a decentralized exchange, known as Pi Exchange, facilitating peer-to-peer trading of PiCoin and other digital assets. This allows users to trade securely and efficiently without the need for intermediaries. Pi Identity provides blockchain-based identity verification, offering a secure and transparent way to manage digital identities. This feature is crucial for ensuring trust and security in digital transactions, and PI EduCenter serves as an educational platform, empowering users with knowledge about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. It offers courses and resources to help users understand and leverage blockchain. Despite these developments, the absence of smart contracts after 6 years of development raises concerns among some observers. This missing feature is seen as a significant gap in the network's capabilities. Smart contracts are essential for many blockchain applications, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, also known as dApps, and other innovative solutions. They automate processes and reduce the need for intermediaries. The lack of smart contract functionality limits the potential of the PiNetwork ecosystem and hinders its ability to compete with more established blockchains. This limitation could impact its adoption and growth in the long term. Section 7. Challenges on the path to adoption. Despite its growing user base and ambitious vision, PiNetwork faces significant challenges on its path to mainstream adoption. One of the most pressing concerns is regulatory scrutiny. PiNetwork's referral-based mining model, while effective in attracting users, has drawn comparisons to multi-level marketing schemes. This has attracted the attention of regulators in several countries who are concerned about the potential for pyramid schemes and financial scams. Adding to the scrutiny, Bybit CEO Ben Zhou publicly labeled PiCoin a scam, citing a 2023 Chinese police warning. While PiNetwork has refuted these claims, the negative publicity has undoubtedly damaged the network's reputation. Beyond regulatory hurdles, PiNetwork faces other challenges. Low transaction activity after the open Mainnet launch raises questions about the network's actual usage. The need to secure listings on major exchanges and drive real-world merchant adoption remains paramount. Section 8. Can PiNetwork rewrite the financial script? The future of PiNetwork remains uncertain. The network's success hinges on its ability to overcome significant challenges and deliver on its promises. Converting its massive user base into active participants is crucial. Simply having millions of registered users is not enough. PiNetwork needs to incentivize users to engage with its ecosystem, utilize PiCoin for transactions, and contribute to the network's growth. Expanding its dApp ecosystem is another key factor. The development of innovative and useful dApps will attract developers and users, driving demand for PiCoin and increasing the network's overall value. Addressing regulatory concerns is paramount. PiNetwork must work proactively with regulators to address concerns about its referral-based model and ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Section 9. The future of Pi, a network in progress. The PiNetwork story is far from over. It is a story still being written, full of potential and uncertainty. Whether PiNetwork can truly disrupt the financial system remains to be seen. For PiNetwork to succeed, it needs to evolve from a promising concept into a robust and functional ecosystem. It needs to transition from a network of users to a network of active participants, contributing to and benefiting from the Pi economy. The journey ahead for PiNetwork is fraught with challenges. However, its commitment to accessibility, financial inclusion, and technological innovation should not be underestimated. The world is watching to see if PiNetwork can deliver on its promises and reshape the future of finance.